Daily use and natural settling can cause your furniture seams to shift over time. But don't worry, it's easier than you think to fix. Many styles of furniture have floating seams, or seams that move depending on a variety of factors, such as the way the unit is used, how an individual gets up from the furniture, and looseness of the selected fabric. Simply use firm hand pressure to ease the seat cover back towards the back of the unit. Repeat this process until the seat aligns. The adjacent seat may also need to be adjusted by using firm hand pressure to move the cover in the opposite direction. Regulating backs and seats. Sagging blown fiber back cushions and misaligned seat cushions are easily aligned. Using hand pressure, gently but firmly, push the seat cushions towards the back of the unit, continuing to repeat the motion until the seat is even with the adjacent seat. Regulating stationary upholstery blown fiber backs. Unzip the zipper on loose or semi-attached cushions. With one hand holding the cover, reach inside the cover and massage the inner back, working the blown fibers to all corners of the pillow. Zip the cover closed. With both hands flat and working from the center of the pillow out, massage the entire pillow to evenly distribute the blown fiber. Bunched up arm fabric can also be smoothed out by hand by applying the same techniques as previously described. Regulating stationary upholstery seats. Remove the seat cushion and unzip the zipper. Holding onto the cover with one hand, use the other hand to smooth out any bunched up batting, filling out corners until they are squared. Continue to square the cover over the foam by pulling and smoothing all sides with your hands over the cover. Working on the inside of the seat, straighten the welt by turning all edges towards the seat border, ensuring that they are all lying flat and down. Zip the cover closed. Hold on to the top front right and bottom left corners of the seat and lightly pull the covers to further straighten the welt. Repeat this from the top front left and the bottom right corners. Do this on all sides. Return the seat cushion to the unit. It is recommended that loose seats be rotated and flipped on a regular basis to maintain even wear.